Okay guys, well I'm on my way to an audit and I thought I'd just give you some B-roll of Kewaunee, the town of Kewaunee. It is very popular for fishing out of here. Catch a lot of good fish, and the marina's nice. They have a campground up here. Let me just give you a little sights and sound of what we're looking at. Thanks for joining me.
Back one says in there on it.
Nice fillets. You guys got some nice fillets to take home. You would have got them out and played them. Here. Wait off. Look,
It's not the first time, huh?
what's that?
Doing this.
No.
That's a joke.
I like to, no. I like to have a quarter for every time I did
A
it.
quarter, huh?
A dime.
Well, you look like a surgeon. My compliments.
I used to be that too. I was a medic.
Were ya?
MST.
Nice, man.
Technician.
You could actually eat that raw, huh?
Yep. Yep. That's a rainbow here.
Nice.
Coal hole.
So you guys are just buddies that do it, or do you charter?
No, we don't charge it.
Just buddies?
Yeah, this is my friend.
Nice.
My friend for God, hunting.
Better than the market.
Yeah, a buddy of mine's got a boat and he took us out.
Sweet.
No, I wouldn't want to charter. That's work.
I hear ya.
Just going out for fun and catching fish and eating them, that's the best thing to do.
That's living.
That's living. Yeah. These here won't dry all off then.
You guys live up here?
I live in New London.
Where?
He lives in Appleton.
Oh, Appleton,
I live
okay.
in New London. Oh, we just had that tornado not so long ago.
Yeah, we lost some trees.
Oh, us too.
Really?
Terrible.
Yeah, at least nobody died.
Throw that in the garbage. No, nobody. That was bad.
They had no power for it.
I was up here.
Yeah, I saw
here
that
for
on the news.
tournament.
You guys were screwed big time.
Yeah, I was up here for the tournament. My wife called me and said we just been hit by a tornado.
Yeah.
I was home that day. And then they had town all blocked off because they
Right.
were evacuating everybody
Yeah,
here.
no.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd rather be in, I'm used to earthquakes. Tornadoes, man, I'd rather be in an earthquake than a tornado.
You guys got some fillets. Yeah, that's nice. Cindy will be happy to see that.
Oh yeah.
Do you fellas know that if you just, like if you were a tourist and you just wanted to park here and eat your lunch here, they don't hassle you?
No.
What about those barbecues? Because they're propane, you got to pay them something, or is that just for the campground?
That's usually just for people here.
Yeah, yeah. It's a nice, and that's the campground across the street. Is that it?
Yep. Yep.
Yep.
The
wanna
boat
get you wet
landing's
here.
across
Sorry,
the
man.
street
I don't
too.
mean to be picking your
Oh
brains,
no, I
so
just don't want
thanks.
to get you wet.
No, it's
The
all
boat
good.
landing's across the street too, but you can't get in it.
Oh yeah, you know, my wife's cousin was talking about the flooding.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's terrible, nasty.
It doesn't work.
All right, what?
Water.
No.
All right, guys, nice talking to
Yeah,
you.
you
Thanks,
too.
man.
Yep, take care.
You
Good
guys
job.
too. Enjoy the fish. You gonna grill them tonight?
I don't know what these guys are.
All right. Where's your address? No, I'm kidding you. Take care.
Yeah,
All right, guys. There you go. Little bit of catching some salmon.